Hello guys, welcome back. This is day 2 of earning 1 crore rupees through trading. And today I'm breaking down a trade that generated 44,232 rupees profit in a single setup. Now here's the interesting part. This isn't a setup I discovered yesterday. I've been observing this pattern for a long time, backtesting it across different market conditions, and one thing keeps repeating itself over and over again. When this setup forms properly on the 15-minute time frame, the probability of success increases significantly. So stay till the end because I'll show you the exact sequence that led to this trade, and more importantly, the 2 lessons that can completely change the way you look at market structure and liquidity. This trade was taken on 22nd May and my entry came around 11:30 AM IST. When the market opened, I wasn't interested in chasing candles. The first thing I noticed was that Nifty was moving inside a range. Buyers and sellers were fighting, but neither side had complete control. Whenever I see this kind of behavior, I don't rush into a trade, because during consolidation, smart money is usually preparing for the next move. Most traders get trapped trying to predict the breakout. I prefer waiting for the market to reveal its intentions. On the 15-minute time frame, Nifty kept respecting a particular zone. Price was moving up and down inside the range, creating equal lows and collecting liquidity below those lows. Now whenever I see multiple lows forming at a similar level, I know there are stop losses sitting there. And where stop losses exist, liquidity exists. The market loves liquidity. So instead of buying inside the range, I waited for the market to attack those lows first. And that's exactly what happened. Around 11:30 Indian Standard Time, Nifty pushed below the consolidation lows. At first glance, it looked bearish. Many traders probably thought the market was breaking down. But I wasn't interested in the breakout. I was interested in what happened after the breakout. Price swept the liquidity below the range, triggered the stop losses, grabbed the liquidity, and then quickly started moving back up. That was the first sign that the breakdown might be a trap. Now here's the important part. I didn't enter immediately after the sweep. This is where many traders lose money. Instead, I waited for price to come back into the same zone. And then I waited for the 15-minute candle to close. That candle close was my confirmation. The market had already taken the liquidity below the lows and successfully reclaimed the zone. At that moment, buyers were showing strength. That's when I entered the Nifty 23,500 call option. No guessing, no FOMO, just waiting for confirmation. After entry, the trade started working almost immediately. Nifty continued moving higher as buyers stepped in aggressively. Once the liquidity sweep failed and the zone was reclaimed, the probability shifted strongly in favor of the upside. My focus wasn't on predicting how high the market would go. My focus was simply managing the position and letting the setup play out. As momentum continued, the option premium expanded rapidly. And eventually, I booked a profit of 44,232 rupees. Before we end, there are 2 important lessons from this trade. Lesson number 1. Never assume a breakdown is real just because price breaks a level. Always watch what happens after the break. Many times, that move is simply a liquidity grab. Lesson number 2. Patience pays more than prediction. The money wasn't made when liquidity was swept. The money was made by waiting for confirmation and letting the 15-minute candle close. Those extra few minutes can save you from countless bad trades. And that's day 2 completed. One more step forward in this journey toward 1 crore rupees through trading. The exciting part is that every day brings a completely different challenge. Some days the market rewards patience, some days it tests discipline, and some days it teaches lessons that no book ever can. If you want to follow this journey trade by trade, profit by profit, lesson by lesson, make sure you like this video, share it with fellow traders and subscribe to the channel. And comment below whether you spotted this liquidity sweep before the move happened. Because day 3 might bring an even bigger opportunity and you won't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next one.